Okay, I've got the weight off the axle here. You can see we're slopping it around there, so we should be able to pop this wheel off. I've got it, it's an 1 1/16 spanner, so it's a standard size. So yeah, the wheel nuts are just standard to what you would think you would find on a Fergie. Now all these nuts, I don't use them again because I do if it's an older tractor, but if it's a new one I don't. If it's something I'm painting up. Okay, we'll take them out of the way. And this should just come off nicely. So there's our wheel, there's our heavy cast centre. That's what it looks like in the back, dirt and all. So yeah, it's just some big solid cast lump, isn't it? So I'll just pop that up over here for the moment. And all of these have a spacer. So they have a 1/2 inch spacer, I believe that's 1/2 inch. No, it's 5/8. They have a 5/8 spacer. And yeah, I don't know whether that was because they cast them wrong originally or just what the story was there. But we'll pop this off. Looks like they found the grease gun now and then. We'll pop this off. I'll go and on the gantry there, we've got the crane. I'll sit these in there, I'll put a sling around it, and we'll just weigh them to see what they weigh. Look, just for interest. And looks like we've got a bit of a build up here. And you'll notice the extra long wheel studs here. So your standard wheel stud. I have one over here. I'll just get one to show you the difference. Wrong way, Lance. It's over here now. And this is your standard wheel stud for a pressed steel centre. So look, they're 3/4 of an inch longer than standard. Yeah, 3/4 of an inch longer than standard. So what we're going to do on this job is we're going to press all these out, put it up in the press, pop them out, do all the hub, tidy it all up, pop the new ones in, mask the threads up ready for painting, and away we go. That you can feel, see when I let go it finds its own way again. That's a sign of a bearing that's got little notches in it, and as you roll it up on the ramp it wants to go back to the low spot in the cup. So we know that bearing's crooked, but that's all right. That's what we're here for. Okay, I put the sling and the little D-shackle in and I pressed the tear button, so we're not allowing for any weight there. So so there we go, we're swinging and we're at 109.9 kilograms, so let's say 110 kilograms or 240 pounds, 241 pounds. So yeah, about 110 kilos per side. Now, we need to take the weight of the tyre off there because a 750/16 tyre is, whether it's on a pressed steel centre or not, the tyre weight is there. But I don't believe, actually I'll while I'm on camera, I'll just check that there's no water in them. I don't think there is. No, it's just air. So So yeah, I suppose just roughly, let's say the tyre and tube weigh 9 kilos, so that would be 100 kilos in the weight. So yeah, look, that's a reasonable thing. Anyway, that was just for interest's sake, nothing else. We'll get set up and we'll start working on this right hand side kingpin assembly.